Hey guys, so how to insert cool GIFs to your Google Slides presentation. So you can insert GIFs or moving images same as you insert normal images. You will just need URL of this image. So the first thing you could do is just go to Google and search for cool GIFs you want to. So then you can go to this image. And next thing you do, just right click and select image address. So I just selected my image address, and then I can just insert it to Google Slides. And here you go, here's your GIF. Here. If you want to insert GIF from Giphy, so it's a popular GIF site which personally I really like. So you can go here, and also you'll just need to go to some image, and then click here, copy link, and you're looking for GIF link. So just copy that, insert image, then you can paste it here and insert. And this way you will have a Giphy image as well. So there are plenty of ways. So the main thing you need to have is just the URL of this GIF file, and then you can easily insert it to Google Slides. So thanks for watching.